Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. In today's session, we're addressing a conversion that is essential in large-scale measurements and international projects, converting feet to kilometers. This conversion is particularly valuable in fields such as surveying, mapping, and long-distance travel planning. Let's cover the basics. A foot, commonly abbreviated as FT, is a unit of length used primarily in the United States and a few other countries using the imperial system. A kilometer, denoted as km, is a unit of length in the metric system, widely used around the world, especially for measuring large distances. Here's the key conversion factor. 1 foot equals approximately 0.0003048 kilometers. To convert feet to kilometers, you multiply the number of feet by 0.0003048. For example, if you're working on a project that involves a distance of 10,000 feet and you need to express this in kilometers, simply multiply 10,000 feet by 0.0003048. This calculation results in approximately 3.048 kilometers. Let's look at another scenario. If you're mapping a trail and your measurements are in feet but you need them in kilometers for international reference, it's straightforward. Just multiply the length in feet by 0.0003048 to convert it to kilometers. And there you have it. Converting feet to kilometers is a simple process when you know that 1 foot equals approximately 0.0003048 kilometers. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to handle these conversions efficiently, enabling you to work with various measurement units effectively. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. For more informative conversion guides and math tips, be sure to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.